Cherry Hills Village, hardwood flooring. Explore the world of extraordinary hardwood flooring offered through Cherry Hills Village Hardwood Floor. We take great pride in providing the highest quality craftsmanship and expertise to transform your working and living areas into something truly extraordinary. If you're in the market for traditional or exotic hardwood flooring, our team of highly trained professionals are here to satisfy all your needs. We are experts with the installation, maintenance, and refinishing of exotic or traditional hardwood floors while restoring their original beauty and making sure they will stand the test time. It's not just flooring. We also provide expertise in hardwood stairs repair, refinishing, and installation to create an aesthetically pleasing flow throughout your home. However, what distinguishes us is our innovative method of dustless sanding. There's no trouble or mess, only incredible results. We recognize that certain places in your home or business may require special attention. We offer top-quality laminate flooring, as well as luxury vinyl plank flooring that is designed for high moisture and areas with high traffic, including kitchens, bathrooms, as well as mudrooms and indoor hot tub areas. Be assured that even in the busiest locations, our flooring choices will exceed your expectations. We believe in providing individualized solutions for each of our customers. Our knowledgeable team will help you navigate each step and ensure that your dream is an actual reality. Here at Cherry Hills Village, Hardwood Flooring, our goal is to transform your home or business into something special. You can trust us to be the one-stop shop for all your flooring needs. Select Cherry Hills Village, Hardwood Flooring for top-quality hardwood flooring. Contact us at the link below today and let us help bring your ideas to life.